Migawo mar pur kod piny owacho mar kaontis osingo tiyo kamoro achiel e rido chenro mag pur kod pith jamni mar medo nyayo chiemo kendo tego migawono. Ma katend kaontis ma Kaluo ywak ni pur kod pith jamni odok chien e gwengegi ka jatend migawo mar pur Mithika Linturi okwayo jopur mondo tii kod lony manyasani e neno ni gimedo yuto e puothe. Lipoti yango ni gie sani jo Kenya makwan gi ohewo milion 6 odak kod ngaji mikelo kod midhiero mar oro masani okwako gwenge mathoth e pacho ka. Midhiero ni en kaluwore kod nok mar koth kod ng'ikruok mamoko masani okwako sekta mar pur kod pith e pacho ka. Migawo mar pur e riwruok kod 10 counties osingo mar tiyo kamoro achiel e kedo gi midhiero moloro sekta mar pur.
I've had an opportunity to visit 7 counties. There is no county that I've gone without the company of the governors. I am telling you, this meeting is so important because the information that you people may require is information that I have. It is only that this information is not with you, it is not with the farm.
In the spirit of collaboration and consultation, the national and county governments will work together to ensure inclusive policy and project development to enable the country achieve food and nutrition security. The national and county governments will put in place appropriate measures to address current challenges in agricultural production to ensure the country becomes food secure and net exporter of agricultural products in the short run. The 2 levels of government are committed to moving the 2 million chronically food insecure to food secure. 3, the Ministry of Agriculture and the Council of Governors will hold a consultative meeting in the last week of January 2023 to receive the report of the technical team formed to review and harmonize the legal framework and align the reforms to the Constitution and the devolved system of government for effective implementation at the county level.
Bende migawo no kachiel koda counties osingo mar siro jopur e yore duto mar neno ni piny Kenya obedo koda mwandu mathoth maginyalo tero nyaka e pinje maoko.
The national government to work together with the counties to streamline exploitation of minerals in the country. A framework will be developed to ensure involvement of counties in prospecting for minerals and issuance of mining licenses. 14, the Ministry of Agriculture and county governments to collaborate in expediting the implementation of reforms in the sugar, tea and coffee sectors. Further, the Ministry and the Council of Governors will fast-track the process of privatization of sugar factories.
Maka governors yogo midhiero moloro sekta mar pur e counties gi. Governor ma Migori Ochila Yako nyiso luoro ni pur mar niang kod pith rech e gwenge mag nam lolwe kidek tho chutho ponono ni piny owacho ok bi reso sekta no.
Kidhi sani tinga opuroni kata dhok opuroni idwaro pesa mang'eny kuomi. Kidhi ng'iewo kodhi beche tek, kidhi ng'iewo fertilizer beche tek. Sirikal dwaro nodwok bech gigo piny en chiro mar gik magipuro. Kidhi kuonde ma rabuon chieke kaka Thurwa Migori kata Homa Bay, rabuon ochiek Tandawuoya to onge chiro. Kidhi ibro yudo ka japuro kwamo gi nyanya kata lot susa kata lot mora mora onge chiro. Ng'ama wacho wach GMO ni GMO no ni en bilo moro mabro konyo ji oyo.
Wach mabende ojiw kod governors mathoth mayuak ni gwenge gitimo marach e weche mag nyayo chiemo.
You go to Busia and I'm sure most of the neighboring counties, we are relying on Uganda for our needs. And I think even nationally, Kenya, in terms of our food security, what we get through the border from Uganda plays a very major role, and yet we can be able to produce. Yesterday, we were also even discussing now things like onion and tomatoes are also coming from Tanzania into those areas. Well, that's why I'm saying our agriculture has rusted. Waziri again, if you go deeper, and this goes to my Waziri of the blue economy, you know, we are not getting fish from China.
Pastoralism is the way of life. It's only because of lack of water. If water is provided in those regions, those counties, irrigation can be way of life and it will change the pastoral community's mindset.
Romo market gi ma ibiro bak kendo e giko dwe mokwongo mar higa manyien.